Welcome back guys, CryptoFly channel. Today I would like to talk only about a Bitcoin. So maybe it's going to be a long video, but listen please carefully, the main targets. And also we'll talk about a Bitcoin dominance. Let's dive in. First, guys, I hope you're not surprised on this Bitcoin move because this is a monthly time frame, we talk about all these price targets during all this downfall. You know, even before FTX crash and after, we talk about this target. So sooner or later, we will hit this main targets, you know. So it's just a matter of time because of seasonality, because of cycles, because of sentiment on the market. I showed you a million times on indicators, you know, all targets. Absolutely relevant. So, and the main message in my all videos, you have to build your personal plan, what to do with your own money. Because if you have a plan, if you build a plan for every single coin, you know, you're absolutely not surprised, you're absolutely not shocked at what's going on with this coin or another one, with the Bitcoin, with Bitcoin dominance. You just build a plan, follow the plan, in and out, make a profit, and move on. So it's pretty simple, and I already a million times talk about this simple rules, you know. So the trading have to be not a gambling, you know. It's have to be the strategy which you follow with your deposit. Take a look. This is a Bitcoin dominance. Here one. This altcoin season zone still relevant. In this block, you have to out of altcoins. Some altcoins will pump it faster, some later. So we can't pump all altcoins, or especially only your altcoins in your portfolio, pump it in the same time. No, it's just impossible because of lack of liquidity on the market. But mark your zones for altcoins, and when we will see, this is a monthly time frame. Let's go to weekly. When we will see or sweep of this percentage 55, and let's target what I'm personally waiting 57. For example, somebody waiting over than 60 predominance on a Bitcoin. And in this case, if we go into 60%, maybe altcoins will bloody more. Yes, Bitcoin can go even higher to 60 or to new all-time high. Bitcoin dominance can go in even higher than 57, and some altcoins will bloody more. So that's the point, because you have to understand what is Bitcoin dominance, you know, how it works, how to analyze the chart of Bitcoin dominance. This is money inflow into Bitcoin. So this zone will be more than okay to fix, I don't know, maybe 90% or 100% of your investment portfolio for altcoins. So I would like to see something like this one and down. So this will be my plan for fixation. For Bitcoin, this is a chart on the Bitstamp. This is not a BLX chart, oldest one, but anyway, it's a really huge story on Bitcoin. We got a lot of lines. I mark it even the potential targets for correction. So here's a vertical lines here. This is my idea about the end of bull run at all. So November 2025. This is one more correction, March 2025. And this is a correction, main correction, what I mark it, a potential correction. The days, it's just hypothetical days, you know, because we can't know the timing. I mark the 1st May. Maybe we'll see the main correction. Where we will be till that time, I don't know. So I just mark by seasonality. And maybe this time the selling may go away, even will not play out. I mark it this like a range. So I hope you're not surprised. So basically we're just in a global range. So we got a top, then drop it down, sweep, liquidity forming, just double top. So the main end of bull run was here. So this is double top and deviation at the top on a weekly or in monthly time frame. So absolutely everything pretty simple, you know, can be pretty simple. Then we drop it down here in June, and then we got a FTX collapse, deviation at the bottom. Here, how long we trade? It's a weekly time frame, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 weeks in a row we traded around equilibrium. Got it? Got it. Now the ruler is open to sweep this high, not this one, this high. Of course, you have to be ready for any single scenario. We can see even like this move. Why not? Sweep this low. Absolutely possible. The main targets, the main message, you have to build a plan personally for your own money. You know, the people, and I explained it to you, at this point, at 50K, and I already explained to you why the people will lose a lot of money during the bull run. Because, take a look, the people who jump into Bitcoin here and not out of here. So the average entry around 50, 55K. and they not cut their losses. So for example, they bought it here again. So they average entry 48, 47, for example. So here at 43, so they wait in 2 years. At 48.50, they out of at break even. So they happy. They waited 2 years and they out of break even. And you know, I already a million times explained to you, and I million times explained to you. Where do you think these guys will come back again to Bitcoin? Absolutely here, because of FOMO. Because they absolutely don't have any single plan. They average entry 46. The people who bought it here in profit and accumulated in profit, this one at 15 and 20K, they out at 200 or 100% profit. They happy. So no, Bitcoin can't move higher. It's like consensus, you know. Even the bulls and the bears think the same way now. No, Bitcoin too expensive. We can't move higher. I also showed you before. So S&P 500, previous all-time high, Nasdaq, Nvidia, Meta, gold, bit previous all-time high. But people waiting the Bitcoin going down. So the people who bought it here, they out of in profit and come back later, more expensive at the higher price. And the people who waiting 2 years, out at break even, and they will jump in back into this train later once again in a higher price and lose the money once again because they absolutely don't have a plan. This was here a local FIB. Local FIB was here, so this is a impulse top. We didn't even test 20th level by FIB and continuation. Here we stay at 27 level, and here's a 62.56. It's 0.61 level by FIB. So we can delete this one. Next FIB was for correction. This was a top deviation. 27 level, 27 block was for accumulation. Bitcoin here zero level. Here's a 38 level by FIB. Once again, stay at 61. Now this block. Got it. So the next step is this one. Next step based on this FIB is 87,172. When? Nobody know, guys. Stop asking these stupid questions. When? Nobody know when. Maybe never, guys. Take a look on another FIB. Also, this was a from correction from not this top. If we use the FIB from this one, we got a top, we got a drop 0 level, perfect test, 18 level by FIB. And we came in inside 27 block, 50% this one, 15,558. The target for this drop, I mark it even at the beginning, I guess, of 2022. Now the road is open to this block, 59,682, 62,900. Got it. So the target's absolutely still relevant. And this is on the beat stump. Let's take a look on indicator set on take profit. Here we traded way over exit line on a weekly. Here the targets on a spot, but take profit line. Take profit line now at this current moment, 59,631. Exit line is take profit at this current moment 59,658, and exit line 67,268. So everyone who used my custom indicator set, you could track everything by your own. You know, the targets on Bitcoin on the futures. So this is a chart on the Binance. Take a look. If we use like an impulse from March COVID dump, this is one impulse, one huge impulse. We just test exactly 0.78 level by FIB. So we come back here, and now the road will be open to breaking out this 0 level, and this block 27 block, but bullish one will be like a main rejection. So we can mark 81, 86, 900. So a lot of data showing you this can be the final top, but I don't think so. We'll stop at this point. I think we'll go higher and over than 100K. So maybe 109 will be the last point for Bitcoin. So everything what is over 69K, it's open space. Nobody know when the BlackRock and the big guys will stop the Bitcoin. Take a look on a daily time frame on take profit for Bitcoin on the futures. So here 59,654, this one, maybe even in a lifetime we're gonna hit this one. And the exit line on the daily 67,300. So guys, I recommend you track everything with this custom indicator set. So for Bitcoin, absolutely everything relevant. How low we can drop if we'll see correction. So this block, it was a previous and the last one, monthly fair value gap, this one. So personally, I would like to see, of course, market don't care what I would like to see, but I would like to see something like this one sideways and impulse over to this block and then retest. And trust me, from 87,900, for example, from 81K drop to 60K, it's gonna be pretty hard. Also, I recommend you not skip the post because I showed you this one. Imagine if everything that simple. We got a 5 waves, global one, 5 waves, and I market this one. So 1, 2, 3. So maybe this is a third wave. When we sweep, just a sweep liquidity pool, then test this block 52 and go into 85. Maybe, but I can't know how high this third wave can be. So for Bitcoin, absolutely everything relevant. I don't think so. We will drop from this current price to 30K, to 40K. Yes, you can mark this like a main also block. This block around 0.5 level by FIP, we can sweep this liquidity, but it's not necessary. So in the near future, we can come back and sweep this liquidity later because I already a million times explained you why. The whales needed time for accumulation. They need the same time for distribution. And you can imagine only daily volume for NVIDIA was 300 billion daily volume inflow money. And now all Bitcoin ETF around 3 billion. It's literally nothing. You understand, right? And of course, I'm more than sure we will see some black swan. But you have to understand the black swan, it's not something what people talk about now. So that's a point. So guys, this is my point of view. I recommend you not skip the post because absolutely all targets I showed you even 2022, 2023. If you would like to trade with my custom indicator set, what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.